Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can pull the repository from Azure DevOps to your local machine inside your VS Code so that you can work from your local machine and commit the code from your VS Code to your let's say Azure DevOps repository or any of the Git providers such as GitHub. Most of the process are similar, like you have to clone the repository, right? So I'll show you how you can clone the repository from Azure DevOps into your Visual Studio Code. So first of all, if you see, I have a repository here called Terraform POC, and inside the feature branch, I have multiple Terraform files, right? The .tf extension means it is a Terraform file. So first I have to click on the repository name. Here, once you click, you will see a button called clone. So when you click it, you will see two options. First one is the HTTPS. Then there is one more option which is clone in VS Code, right? So in this one we will see how we can clone using this URL. You can also clone using the VS Code, which is directly going to open your VS Code when you click it, right? Let's say if I click on it, so my VS Code is already VS Code gets opened, and I am able to see that I'm being asked to select a repository. So I have to click, let's say in the uh, desktop, I have to select the folder, such as give it any name, and then select as the repository destination. So once you click it, the repository will get stored in your local machine, and then from there you can pull and push the code, right? Right from the VS Code. So in this video, we will see how we can clone using the URL. So, I'll just copy the URL, go in VS Code, and then in this VS Code, there is a tab called View. Click on Command Palette, and here you have to type git clone, right? So once you click it, you have to paste the URL and enter it. Now you have to click the repository destination. So I have created a new folder in earlier window. So I'll just select that folder as a repository destination, and then you see my repository is being cloned. So the message is, would you like to open the cloned repository? Yes. So now my repository is cloned, right? If you want to switch your branches, you can go here, select main. You will see like there are two branches. First one is main and then feature branch, right? You will see all the details here, the latest commit, the month of the latest, I mean the last commit. So you'll see two branches, main and feature branch. So you can commit on any branch by switching from here. So let's say I'll just switch to feature branch, and then let's say I'm changing some code inside the main.tf. Let's say I'll just add a new commit, Terraform new commit, and save it. Once I save it, you'll see the file color has been changed to yellow, and then you see in the source control icon, there is a new change in one of the file. I have to type the commit message. Let's say new commit, and then there is a arrow button. If you commit, it will just save it in your local, but it will not push the code to the Azure DevOps repository. So you have to click the arrow button. Here you will see commit and push. Means commit and as well as push this new changes to your Azure DevOps repository. You have to click yes. and then it will load. So in the process, you will be asked to sign in to the Azure DevOps portal. I mean the login credentials of that portal which you have signed in. So I'll just sign in quickly. So once you have signed in, the message will be committed, and these changes will be saved. So you can see there is a check mark button, right? And the new commit has been pushed to my Azure DevOps. So let's verify that. Let me refresh the feature branch. So you can see there is a new change. You can see just now. So where is that change in the feature branch, right? And where did we change? We changed in the main.tf inside this. So here is the our latest changes. Terraform new commit, right? So yeah, that's it in this video.